So I'm not sure exactly what these are going to be used for, but they came in as 2 half-inch wall 5x5 square tubes, and what they really needed was a 10-foot by 10-inch by 5-inch tube. So what we did is we cut these pill-shaped holes on either end, and this block in the middle, and that block in the middle receives this block like that. And then what we did is we tacked here in the middle and here on both sides. We did a root pass, and then we did 2 alternating direction, really hot, deep passes on each side. So there's 3 welding passes on each seam. There's 2 seams back to back on each one of these tubes. And then after it was all welded on each side, so 6 passes, 3 on each side, we did 1 really hot deep pass on this edge seam to tie the top and the bottom together. So we've just hit it with a die grinder with a 3-inch fiber pad just to take the sharp edges off. But these are ready to go, and it's kind of cool. These pill shapes, they go all the way through. I guess there's like a metal piece of all thread, like 1-inch all thread that goes through these holes, and they needed some adjustability, so we put those pill shapes in. So yeah, very proud of those. So all in, plasma cutting, grinding, welding, you know, this ended up being about 2.5 hours of work. That's doing it right.